Hi everyone, my name is Zhang Zhenqiang, and I'm a front-end engineer of ArcBlock. And today I will demonstrate how to deploy and install our ABT node to some different environments. And to deploy our environment is very easy. We have provided a command line tool to make the things easy, and we also make a Docker image, and so we can run Docker in more systems, and so we can also run Docker in some container services. And today I will demonstrate on these file platforms. And the first is my Mac OS, and then is with Docker on my Mac OS, and third I will deploy it on Hot Cloud. Hot Cloud is our partners Youpayun container service, and then I will deploy on a cloud powered by OpenStack named Auro. Auro is spelled AURO, and at last I will deploy it with our own node launcher. ABT Node Launcher is a Blocklet, and I will show you later. And also our ABT node can run on macOS and Linux, but for some compatibilities reason, ABT node can't run on Windows just now. Sorry. Can't run on Windows now. And first, let's see how to run our node on macOS. Because our command line tool and ABT node daemon, ABT node is developed by Node.js. So first, we have to install Node.js in our computer, and then we have to install our ABT node CLI. It's a command line tool to deploy the ABT node, and I have installed Node.js and ABT node CLI on my Mac, and so I will skip the two steps. If you guys are not familiar with Node.js and ABT node CLI and npm, you can visit the docs, the official docs of Node.js. And with ABT node CLI, we can initialize a configuration file and then start the ABT node. Now let's see how to use our ABT node CLI to create a configuration file. And to initialize the config file, we can use ABT node init. We can check the init means. Init is to init a config file. So let's use init. And first we should set the ABT node name, and I will change it with devcon, and description, and the store data, the folder to store data, and I will use default tool, and set up IP because it's my own Mac, so I will use it local IP, and then port, and then the Blocklet registry. The Blocklet registry is used to fetch the Blocklets and download Blocklets. So we have to set it up. And at last, we have to set the config file to store the configs we just now set it. So we have initialized the configuration, and then let's use the command start. Okay, it's started successfully. Let's see that. Let's visit the address in the browser. Wait a minute. Okay, now we can see a setup page. We must first to set up the owner of the ABT node, and we must set up it at the first time to access. And to set up the owner, we must use our ABT wallet and use our ABT wallet to authorize. And more things about our ABT wallet, my colleague will give a share on the DevCon. And if you guys have interested, you can follow our DevCon. Wait a minute and open my wallet to scan the QR code. Maybe slowly. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. After set the owner, then we will check the name and the description information, and confirm that there is no error in it, and I will complete the setup. And now we have set up the node completely, and then let's go. Let's take a shot to the dashboard. Okay, this is dashboard, and the dashboard show many informations about the ABT node. Something about something like uptime, create, and storage information, and the DID, and the environment information like internal IP and other things. And then let's see the Blocklets list page. The Blocklets list page. The Blocklet list page is will list the installed Blocklets, but we have not installed it. We have not installed any Blocklet, so there is no Blocklet here. And if we want to install Blocklet, we can visit it. We can download it, install it on Marketplace, and we can see about we can see some Blocklets here. And now I will install a Blocklet named Blockchain Manager. The Blockchain Manager is used to create a blockchain and manage the chains. Let's install it. Okay. We can see it in Blocklet list, and then let's start it. Okay, we have started successfully, and now we can see a admin interface link in the visit column, and let's open it. Now we can create a chain in the admin page. Let's create. And before create a chain, we must first we must download the forgery list firstly. But it will download it will download during the creation. And then we must set up the chain name, and I will set it default, and the token name and the token symbol. And also we can see it require to create a moderator. The moderator is administrator of the chain, and we can create a moderator by our ABT wallet too. Wait a minute, I will open my wallet. Okay, I have scanned and authorized. Okay, we have generated a moderator, and then let's create. Because just like I said, it will download the full release. We can download the progress here, and it may take seconds or just wait. Okay, it's downloaded, and let's see the chains. Okay, let's start it. The start progress will take about seconds because Forge need to initialize something. Wait a minute. Okay, we can see it's running now, and we can check out if the chain is running by visit the Blockchain Explorer. We can open it with this tab, and it will open a new tab in the browser. And this is a chain chain explorer created by the blockchain manager. We can see its address. Okay, and we can view the basic status of the chain, like blocks and the transactions and other things. Okay. Okay, this is how to deploy and install our ABT node on Mac OS or other systems, or like other systems can also use the same method to install. And we also demonstrate how to use the blockchain manager Blocklet to create a chain and manage the chain. And now let's stop the chain. Okay, well, stopped. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, stop the chain manager. Okay, this is how to install on macOS.